Dear SDP students, as it was mentioned in the workshop, you have to start identifying the content related to your SDP project that you want to add to your website. Once identified, start dividing it into categories in order to decide the number of subpages that you have to add to your website. Bear in mind that your main page is the one created by the SDP administrator, and it was given the name of your group number, such as FGX for female groups, where X is a number from 1 to 12, which represents the total number of projects, SDP projects, given this during this academic year, and MGX for male groups, where X is the number from 1 to 14, and also it represents 14 projects given during this academic year. Before you start, please pay attention at the following rules. In order for you to identify your page among other pages, you should absolutely add your group number next to the name of the new page that you have created. Like example, about underscore FG1, introduction underscore FG1. If you have another pages, any name you give to the new page, you have to add underscore and the name of your group or number of your group, please. FG1, FG2, and so on. Let us start by creating some pages. So starting from the dashboard, the screen you see in front of you, we go to pages. There you'll find all pages. Those are what I call the home page for each group. So I just created one group and I called it HA1. So that's my group. In that group, we can add sub pages. So this one, before you add the other pages, you go to the main page where you will find the title of your project, like this, for example. So here I suggest you to add your names, for example, as introduction to that to your website. So let's say student A, for example, student B, for example. At the beginning, what you can do, you can type the name of your supervisor. You can say, for example, SDP project supervised by. Okay, and here you type supervisor name. Okay, I'll show you after how you can link the name of your supervisor to his website, own website. So you can start by typing information about your group, about your supervisor. If you have external supervisor, so you can distinguish between them by creating, typing, for example, internal supervisor, project internal supervisor, SDP project external supervisor, and you can type their names. Now, to add the page, we click on Add New. Okay, this, of course, it's asking to leave the site because I did some changes here and I didn't update it. I did not save it. So what I have to do, I can cancel to stay in the same page, update that page with the new content. And after that, I can click directly add the new page. So no need to go back to pages here. Just click on add the new page. Okay, so new page, as I told you, it will be like about, for example, but it should be identified by your group number, because among the other pages, you see that some other groups, they can name their pages similar to your page name. So to make the difference between the page from group to group, we add group number at the end of each page, HA1 for that group here, for example. So here you can write any text here. Okay. As I told you during the workshop, you can use features here to make like Word. You make the text bold. You can change it to hidden, for example. One. You can change its color and so on like that. Okay. I'll update this page. Okay, it will come back to the same page once it's done. Now, before we go to another page, this is a very important step where you can from here you can say that the parent of this page HA1 is HA1 one here. So the parent of about underscore HA1 is HA1, this one here. So for your case, if you have, for example, about underscore FG1, so you come here to this page, parent, and you say the parent of that page is FG1. So that page will be allocated, will be assigned to this page directly once you create a menu. So for my case, I keep it HA1 and click on updates. I'll add another one. I'm trying to do a complete, almost complete exercise with you. So introduction, for example, underscore all the time, HA1, introduction text. Okay, the parent of that one, here I have now HA1 and about HA1. So this page, the parent of that page, this one here, introduction, HA1. If I need to be submenu of that about, so this will be the parent of that page. Otherwise, I'll keep it under the same parent, which is HA1. Publish. So I published that page. Now let's add another one. I'm planning to add like another two or three more pages. Results, HA1. So this will be here. You can add results, description about those results, and so on. To add the results, as I told you, you can go to add media. Okay, there will be having access to different pictures. Please here the idea you will find a picture or pictures for other groups. Don't touch them, please. Just keep them there. Take yours and create your page from those from your own pictures. So let's take, for example, take this one here. That is mine. So insert this one to my page for results page. Okay, you can add description in it here. Okay, you can discuss that page or this figure or those results. Okay, I'll add this one to the introduction. So introduction will be the parent of this new page results. Publish. Okay, I think I didn't click on publish. Yeah, it's clicked now. So I have those pages now. Now let's go back to pages, and just to show you something, which are some things here, like that's the page. Okay, about HA1. This is related to that parent page here. Introduction, same thing. And as I told you, look, if I have a lot of pages belonging to my group, I can easily identify them by just looking at the end of the name of that new page or those new pages. Okay. Now let's go to menu under appearance. Okay, that's the one. It was not active for you, but now since you are admin, you can have access to it, and this will appear in your menu. So appearance, from appearance, we can take menus here. You'll find our pages here, and also they are added down here. For example, H1, about H1. Okay, we have results to add. Okay, so we'll add that page to the menu. I don't have introduction, so I'll add introduction also. Add to menu. So they are all here. And as I told you, so this about and HA1 will be in the same. So this one will be a part, will be submenu of HA1. So I'll push it one step right. We have different steps here. Okay. So I have 3 levels. So one level right for about HA1. Results will be belonging. This one I can reorder it. I can put it up here. And this introduction is belonging to HA1, the main page. This results I decided to be a child of introduction HA1. Keep in mind, just if you with the theme, as I mentioned in the email I sent to some of the admin students, I give them a privilege of administrator. Please don't change the theme. Okay, the theme should be the same as the one shown in the preview page website, the website that the visitors they will have access to it. So don't change anything. All you have to do is to add your pages, add the content inside those pages, and create the menu for those pages, and that's it. Uh, Keep this top menu all the time active and checked with right check like this. Save menu. So now it's done. Go back to the preview page for our website. Just to refresh that website. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. As I told you in the preview page, the page of the self-design project, I added my menu, the group. Okay, and I added 2 pages to that group about HA1 and the introduction HA1 with the submenu results A1. If you click on that one, this will take me to about text. Okay, if it go to introduction itself, it's a page. This will take me to the introduction. If I need to go to its submenu, just to click on results or any pages related to that submenu. Okay, so I have results in here. So now if you have more than 3 pages and submenus, the idea is similar. You have you just keep creating pages. Don't forget to add your group number by the end of the name of each page with the underscore in between, and add the content as you like. By the end, for each changes, you can after publishing it, you can come to this page, this website, and check your changes. Now coming back to the editor website, if you go back to pages, I told you we're going to link one of the names of supervisor names to the supervisor name, sorry, to its website. So for example, if I come back to HA1 page, so there I have the content will appear, and there will be having like SDP project supervisor. It says supervisor is myself, for example. Okay, so I highlight that name, and I can link it, insert link here, and you can, if you have URL of that person, your supervisor, to get the URL of your supervisors, you can go to our department website. Okay, so from colleges, you go to College of Engineering. Okay, look for the academic departments. Go to electrical engineering, and there we have a link, web page for faculty and staff members. So there you can find the whole supervisors. Okay, I'm pretty sure all of those persons, those doctors, they are your supervisors, one of them at least. And now, for example, now in each one of them, next to the supervisor, we have a link for their websites, and the link it's called profile website for each professor or assistant professor, okay, or associate professors. So, for example, go to my site. If you click on profile website, they will be having access to supervisor website. Click, just copy its link, URL link. You go back to your page, and there you can paste it and click enter. Okay, now if I publish this or update, okay, once it's updated, I go to the website, go back to about. The text was under HA1, so click on HA1. There I'll be having the text I added and the name of the supervisor. If I click on the name, this one should open the website related to your supervisor. And thank you for following this video.